Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find security and biometrics. Now let's scroll down, and in other section right here we've got encryption and credentials. So let's tap on it, and here at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap on it. And here your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents. So just tap on OK. And actually this is it. As you can see, we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.